Guys, it's Ashley. Today we're going to be going over the Lesson 35 fourth grade worksheet. Let's go ahead and start with performance assessment. Here we see a table with sizes of a pizza and the number of servings it comes with. So let's read the part A. Curtis, Joe, Sarah, and Laura have a coupon for one free pizza at the Pizza Palace. They all want the same number of slices. So tell which size pizza they should order and explain your answer. Okay, so first we want to underline the key parts. It says that they all want the same number of slices. So just from this, we know that we need to find something that divides evenly among all people. So there's 4 people, Curtis, Joe, Sarah, and Laura. So which pizzas can they order? They can order personal. So I'll write P for personal. Since 4 divides evenly into 4, each person will be getting 1 pizza. And they can also order medium because if you divide by 4, each person would get 2 slices. You can also order large because if you divide by 4, it divides into 3 slices per person. And they can order jumbo because if you divide by 4, you get 4 slices per person. So explain your answer. You can just write that it divides evenly into 4 people. Part B, write a fraction that names how much of the pizza will be left after each person eats 1 slice from the jumbo size. Write an equivalent fraction for that amount. So if each person eats 1 slice from the jumbo pizza, we'll just do 16 minus 4 people. 1 slice per person, so 4, and you get 12. And the total amount of slices are 16. So we'll do 12 over 16. And if we simplify that and write an equivalent fraction, we can get 3/4. And we do that by dividing by 4 on top and bottom. Okay, so our answer should be 12 over 16 and 3 over 4. Let's go ahead and move down to page number 2, performance assessment continued. So Robin is planning a 1-week visit with her grandmother. She wants to pack enough shorts and shirts so that she has enough different outfits to wear during the week. She has 2 white shirts and 1 red shirt. She also has 3 blue shorts and 2 black shorts. So part A asks, Robin wants to take more shirts than shorts. How many of each should she pack? So we are given the information that she has 2 white shirts and 1 red shirt. So that's 3 total. And 3 blue shorts and 2 black shorts. So she wants to take more shirts than shorts. So how many of each should she pack? She should pack her 2 white shirts as well as her red shirt. And she should pack her 2 black shorts because the 2 white shirts and the 1 red shirt will give her 3 shirts total, which is bigger than 2 black shorts. Let's look at part B. Suppose Robin packs her favorite red shirt. If she reaches into her suitcase and pulls out a shirt without looking, is it likely or unlikely that she will pull out the red shirt? So if she has a white t-shirt and 2 white t-shirts and 1 red t-shirt, and she reaches her hand in and tries to pick one, it'll be unlikely that she'll pull the red shirt because there are more white shirts than red shirts. Let's move on to page 3 with problem solving on location. Boise, the state capital, is located on the Boise River in southwest Idaho. The downtown area is a cultural center and is home to many parks and museums. On her first visit to Boise, Susan walked 3/4 mile from the Capitol building to Julia Davis Park and then half mile through the park. If she walked back to the Capitol building along the same route, how far did she walk? So, first we see that Susan walked from the Capitol building to Julia Davis Park, and then she walked through the park for half a mile. Then she walked back. So how much did she walk? We just need to calculate the distance that she traveled the first time and multiply by 2. So we'll do 3/4 plus 1/2. So we can change the 1/2 to 4 and 2, so 2/4 to make a common denominator. So instead of 1/2, we'll be using this instead. And if we add three-fourths plus 2/4, that gives us 5/4. And we're going to multiply this by 2. So when we multiply, we're just going to multiply straight across, so we get 10/8. And we can simplify that into 5/4. So we'll write 5/4 miles. Number 2. The central section and dome of the Capitol building took about 8 years to build. 2 wings for the building took about 2 years to build. Write a fraction that shows how much of the total construction time was spent on the wings. So the wings, it took 2 years to build. So we just need to find the denominator, and that's the total amount of time, which is going to be 8 plus 2, and that gives us 10. So our answer is going to be 210 years. Okay, let's go to the final page, number 4. The Boise Greenbelt offers a 25-mile long pathway along the Boise River for walking, running, biking, and inline skating. Michael skated 7 3/5 miles along the path, and Pauline skated 8 4/5 miles. Who skated further and by how much? So to see who skated further, we're just going to subtract Pauline's distance and Michael's distance. And we get 1 1/5. So we know that Pauline skated further because her whole number is bigger. 8 is bigger than 7. So we're going to say P for Pauline. And we'll put 1 1/5. Okay, great job, guys.